Hello, my name is Angelina Chiose. I'm joined to Future Connect Training and Recruitment for AAT Level 2. In the beginning, I meet Jagruti, who is manager in Harrow Center. She is very helpful. The center is very comfortable with two screen computers. It's very easy to complete the work. Currently, I am AAT Level 3, almost to finish for qualification, and for recruitment, me help manager Palvi, and I got the job. Thank you so much, Future Connect, and I recruitment to everybody who want to study for accounting field. Future Connect is excellent center.